you very much watching my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how you will prepare for Google Cloud Security exam. So let's have a look step by step guide. Without further delay, let's move on to the step by step guide. So here I have created one article on the Mediums, the step by step guide how to prepare for or how to pass Google Cloud Security Engineer exam. So let me go through the details. So first, before going to start your exam, so you need to understand the what is Google Cloud Security. All these important points you need to understand. Then what we'll do, why should we consider taking the Google Cloud Security exam, right? So all these things you go through my Medium articles and the important tips for exam preparation guide. Remember the name of all security product. This is the best idea to remember. Once you remember all these security products, it will be easy for your preparation to start. So my next tips, remember the Google Cloud Security product features and service in 4 word or less. As you can see on the screen, details of the 4 word list. After that, what we will do, security product key features link is available here. You go through details. Then one of the link which I have attached, Google Cloud Security exam preparation sheet, you can prepare on that. And also you can get an idea of how security is enforced at every layer for the diagram below. It's on below. So in Google Cloud environment, how the security stack is enforcing from top to bottom and bottom to top, right? So this is one of the example of the diagram. Here are some tips to help you prepare effectively. First of all, you have to review the exam guide which is available in the official Google Cloud certification learning path. And couple of key technical points like configure access with a cloud solution environment, right? Then configure perimeter and boundary of security. All these points you have to prepare thoroughly. In section 3, ensuring the data protection, like how the data will protected, what is the encryption key, CME key, customer supply encryption key, customer manage encryption key, cloud external key manager, cloud HSM. All these things you have to prepare thoroughly. And then managing the operation with a cloud solution environment, you have to, based on this list, you have to start preparing on that particular area. Last but not least, supporting the compliance requirement, right? Once the exam guide thoroughly preparation completed, then some key and core security products you need to go through, and you have to understand the share responsibility model in the cloud security as you can shown in the below diagram, right? And deep dive into network security, right? Understand cloud identity authentication. So this is the diagram which will go through the process, and the all the description link which I will provide you in the description link, all the link in the below video. So IAM, identity access management, encryption key and management, this is the graphical representation you can able to easily understand. Security monitoring, how we'll monitor, and secure data storage, practice with hands-on lab, official Google Cloud learning path, security engineer learning path, you have to complete all these learning video course, quest, lab, all these things you have to complete. Then one more thing I would like to add on here in the additional thing, like GCP Scratch Note will be help you to prepare well and memorize all the security stuff, right? And whatever the link which I have mentioned over here, you go through one by one and start your preparation on the Google Cloud Security exam. Then review the customer case study, take the practice exam, and some sample questions is also available to get help from your preparation. You can start the sample question to check your level, and stay positive throughout your preparation, and manage your time during the exam, schedule the exam. All the best, good luck for your exam. Hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.